Hey, what's going on? I'm Devon Holland, and today we are going to be training for strength in our first workout in this muscle building plan. Now, this is a continuation of the How to Create a Workout Plan video series where I show you step by step how to create your own workout plan. If you want to follow the entire series, go ahead and click the link. In this phase of the program, we will be doing two types of exercise, a HIIT and strength training. In today's workout, we're focused on strength for our leg day. So let's get moving. Our workout today consists of glute bridges, single leg deadlifts, squats, and split squats or split lunges. We're going to be doing 2 to 4 rounds of this workout, and there's going to be various rep ranges, so follow along to get those numbers. All right, this is a great workout today, so make sure you keep it moving, really challenge yourself. So let's get into it. We're going to start off with glute bridges. We have 20 reps of this exercise. When you're doing this, your feet are going to be just outside of shoulders. You're going to be driving through the heels, and your knees are actually going to be in vertical alignment with your feet. So push your knees out. Don't let those knees buckle in, and I want you to drive your hips as high as you can to the ceiling and then drop them down all the way to the floor. Each rep, and concentrate on engaging those glute muscles. From there, we're going to move into the single leg deadlifts. All right, I'm working on my right leg now. We have 12 reps of this exercise. What I'm doing here is I'm training my balance. I'm working my hamstrings on my right leg, and I'm also engaging my glute on my left leg to keep that leg up. So I'm keeping that leg engaged by engaging my glute on that side. Now, when you're doing this, your left leg, in this case, it's going to be as straight as you can get it, and then your right leg is going to be slightly bent as you reach down. Another thing I want to note is posture, okay? I'm not bending forward in my low back. I'm keeping that low back engaged. I'm keeping that mid back engaged. I'm not rounding my shoulders forward. I'm barely reaching down. I'm really just letting my arm drop towards my foot. I'm actually reaching towards my foot, as you can see here. And this is just the best form that I can find here. Working on this myself, it really engages the glute, it really engages the hamstring, and it's just a fantastic beginner's exercise. All right, we're moving to the dumbbell squats. We have 15 reps here. I really enjoy this exercise. It's pretty challenging. You can bring your hands in, or you can have the weights racked on your shoulders. I prefer to have them on my shoulders. Right. Now, as you can see here, my knees are pushed out. My feet are just outside of shoulder width. My elbows are actually dropping down towards my knees, and I'm going just below 90. All right, when you're starting off, you want to challenge those muscles as much as you can, and going below 90 when the weight is light is a great way to practice this movement and to challenge yourself. So as you increase in weight, you can really challenge those quads and develop those legs with full range of motion. All right, the last exercise we have here is the split squats. We have 12 reps on each leg of this exercise. I really enjoyed this one. Let's start off with that back foot. The back foot needs to be engaged the entire time. Now we're going to look at the vertical alignment. If you look at my right leg, which is going to be on the left side of the screen, if you look at my right leg, my hip, my knee, and my ankle are all in vertical alignment. That foot is all in vertical alignment. And when you look at the other leg, the back leg, although my foot is staying engaged, everything is still in vertical alignment. So my hip and my knee and my ankle, my foot, they're all in one line. Even though I'm dropping that knee down to the floor, the angle is perfect. So make sure when you're doing these, you have that vertical alignment, your back foot is engaged, and your front knee is going over there.
Hey guys, thanks for following along and watching this video. Sometimes it can be challenging to get these videos put together. I would appreciate it if you like and subscribe so I can continue to get content just like this, to put out content just like this every week. And also, I know it's challenging for you guys to exercise if you're new to this. If you're not, then bravo to you. But for those that are new to this channel and new to working out, follow along, and I'm going to continue to give you step-by-step plans so you can hit those goals and those milestones that you're looking to accomplish. Next week's workout is high-intensity interval training. It's another core day, day 2 of the muscle building plan in the How to Create a Workout Plan video series. Please stay tuned for more great content just like this. And until next time, let's keep moving.